Hey guys, welcome back to Life on Greenwood. Yeah, I'm going to be putting some carpeted threads on the stairs, going up the stairs. And so I'm going to see how they look first. So I figured, why not let everybody see it and give me a thumbs up or thumbs down if you like the product or not, because I'm going to be trying it out. If it doesn't, they don't look good, then they have to go. But thank you so much for coming back to Life on Greenwood. I appreciate you all. Thanks so much. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And for my returning friends, thank you so much. Let's get started.
Okay, as is typically the case, you start to do one thing, then you realize it just leads to something else. So I vacuumed these stairs yesterday. Realized I had to do it all over again today, and then after I vacuumed, I took some cleaner and wiped down the risers, and then I noticed it was scuff marks, so I went back in to clean up the scuff marks, and then I noticed there were scuff marks on the wall, so I had to clean those off. So all this before I could even get started. So these threads, these carpeted threads actually have a sticky backing to them, and you just have to pull off the cellophane on the back and just lay them down. So before I did that, I wanted to make sure that I had these things lined up, because the last thing I needed was something that looked like it was a crooked road going up the stairs. So I wanted to make sure I could line them up first.
So I'm going to take off the backing and see how these fit first before I go any further, and then I'll come back on.
So they were pretty easy to put down. Once you pull off the backing, you just stick them down. And what I found, though, is that in some places, it just didn't look like they were really sticking too good. So what I'm probably going to do, I'll give it a few days for us to walk on them and see what happens. If I still see that they look a little loose in some spots, I might just go back and put down some carpet tape on them. But so far so good. I like them. And we probably should have put these down or something like this a long time ago, because we were really wearing through the stain on these stairs, and I kept saying to myself, maybe I should just restain these stairs. But these little treads came in handy, so I like them. And stay to the end to see how it turns out, and give me your opinion if you think they look okay. Would you this is something that you would do in your home or not? And if you have any questions about where I got these, just leave me a comment below.
That's the first one. And we have this many more to go.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
2 inches versus this one's 3 inches because the steps, this particular stair is a little wider than leaving.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't want to miss a beat.
Recording.
And on we'll go.
He's talking about garden girl and the fact that I'm putting down these without her. She likes to be involved. She likes to be involved in the chores and the stuff inside and outside of the house. So I'm getting ready to go pick her up. It's like 10 minutes to 3. I'm going to go pick her up and I may be able to get her to help me with this. She might want to do this. I don't know. We'll see. Usually she comes right in the house and she says, "You got any yard work?" Yeah. So I was just telling her, if this doesn't stick, then I will use some carpet tape to make sure that it sticks. But so far, so good. I like it. So.
Okay, good.
And that's what it's looking like so far now. Okay, let me go get Garden Girl from school.
So here's the end result, everyone. Let me know how you like it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye now.